Hi, it's here for XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, let's open the settings and then tap to the wallpaper and personalization. Here click to the library, and to select new wallpaper you should use, for example, my wallpapers, the static ones, dynamic, of just favorites. So here we can find the photos from our device gallery, the default wallpapers downloaded, also from the gallery photos once again, or just to use the wallpapers from files downloaded, and to use the super wallpapers. And also we got here just different online wallpapers. You could use them if you want. So let's just use one from the default wallpapers. Let's use this one. Click to download wallpaper. This is like live wallpaper here. Just to use it, to be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the mobile data, or the Wi-Fi, and click set as lock screen. Now we can see the message that it's applied to lock screen successfully. So let's just lock the device. And as you can see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the home screen of your phone, then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way select one from these default wallpapers. I'll use, for example, one from these available ones. So click to apply, tap set as wallpaper, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.